In just 2 minutes, I'm gonna show you how you can go from zero into $500 a month using something that is really important, and that all you have to do is watch videos. No, you don't have to even pay for that. It is 100% free, and I'm gonna show you everything step by step. Now, the website that you need to go to, it's called www. Now, are you tired of watching so many YouTube videos and you don't even get money by watching those videos? Now, how about if I tell you, now in just this 5 or 10 minutes of this video, you're gonna learn how you can make 10, 20, 30, up to $100 a day by just liking, favoriting, and commenting on YouTube videos. Do you get me? You don't even have to do anything except by just going into this website that I'm going to show you. Now, the website that we need to go to, it's called addmefast.com. Now, in this website, all you have to do is just browse, and then you're going to get points, and these points can be converted into real money like Visa card and PayPal, and actually any payment method you willing to get paid with, they have it. Now, the trick to get into this is very simple. You need to all like everyone does, have an account with this website. And the second thing is, you are going to be watching some videos, and then the points will really into you. And the best part about this is you're gonna get 200 points by just signing up. All right, how cool is that? You are gonna get 200 points whenever you sign up. Now, the sign up process is very simple. All right, you're gonna click to this big green that says try it for free. Now, once you click, you'll be able to create an account with them. All right, now you have to add your email and your password, and then repeat the password again, and that's all you have to do. Now, once you sign up, you're gonna end up in this page. Now, it appears that you already got your point. All right, now there's two types of ways that you can get money with this website. Now, one of them is by using referral program, which means you're gonna refer people into this website, and then you're gonna get 300 points for everyone that signs up. And the other way is they always gonna give you some time of getting money for free by like, you're gonna get more points by using the just to be into this website, so that you get rewarded. All right, using this. And the other way is by just, you're gonna go and literally just watch videos. All right, there's many ways that you can watch videos. You can watch Facebook videos, you can watch YouTube videos, you can watch TikTok videos. Anything is available in here. Now, as you can see, there you can also get paid through PayPal. You can get paid through cryptocurrency using Coinbase, and many ways. So let me just show you the reason why you came into this video is by just watching YouTube videos. All right, now we're gonna click into this one that says YouTube views, and once you see that it says get free point by viewing other YouTube videos, and you can see that view this video for 75 seconds and get 20 points. All right, now what we have to do is we are going to click in here, and then you see the points will just appear. Now you can see that there's an ad that just came up. Now we're going to skip that, and then we are going to watch this video for a couple of seconds. You see there's going to be a timer in here, and you don't even have to watch the video. All right, you can release the audio to make it 0, and that's all about it. All right, once you're done with that, you are gonna be actually whenever you're done with that, you are just gonna go to the next video, and then you keep watching until you get the points that you want. And then whenever these points are redeemed, you can withdraw it into real cash like PayPal money, bank transfer, or the easier way that is by cryptocurrency that they're gonna send you through Coinbase. And that's all about it. Now, as we can see, we have it's almost about the time, and we are gonna actually there's 57 seconds now, so there's literally 10 more seconds, and then the video we can skip it, and then we can go to next video. All right, now once the timer ends, you are able to watch either another video, and you can also literally just go and check your balance. And then but the easier way is like by literally just going and watching videos, or you can literally refer friends. So that's the easiest way, by if you refer friends, because here they have a timer, and this timer, whenever it hits the 75 seconds, you are able to watch more videos. And pretty much it's a time consuming, because 75, it's literally 1 minute. All right, now So here's another thing. You can literally go and like videos as well. So if you guys want to also get paid to like videos, you'll get 12 points for liking videos. And so here's how you can do that. Whenever you see, I'm not gonna like any of them, but you see, when you like them, you're able to get 12 points, which is easier, because the time is literally, because you actually need your time so that you can like as much videos as you can, so you can get the points. All right, now if you want to redeem it, you can just go to the redeem area and literally just redeem your points, and then they are gonna send you the money into this. Actually, so for example, for 3,000 points, it costs you $10. All right, so if you want to get $10 through PayPal, you need to have 3,000. And so once you reach that 3,000 points, you can literally redeem it into either PayPal or Coinbase or Alipay and all of these payment method. Now if you want to get into 200 points, you need to have 85,000 points. All right, now how do you get that? Is literally the easiest way to get into this threshold is by literally being or liking videos, because watching will consume your time. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure, if you guys are new, to subscribe and turn the notification on to get notified whenever I release a new video. If you guys are looking to make full-time income online, there's a link in my description for that as well, also my free training. And if you also looking to make full-time income, that's my #1 recommendation, and I think all of these is hard, so the link for that is in my description. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.